Hey guys, if you wanna play 2v2 or 3v3 in Madden 26, there are a couple of ways to set it up. If everyone is in the same room, it's really simple. Just head into quick play, connect the extra controllers, and you can create your 2v2 or 3v3 match right here. But most of the time, you're probably not sitting in the same house with 5 other people. Getting everyone together isn't always easy. So let's look at how to do it online. You can't really run proper 2v2 or 3v3 in the standard game modes. The most reliable way to do this is through Ultimate Team. Franchise mode might let you do some things in an online league, but for consistent co-op play, Ultimate Team is the mode designed for it. That's where you get access to head-to-head and co-op squad options. Once you are in Ultimate Team, choose Play with Friends. This is where you can build your squad and set up either a 2v2 or 3v3 team. It won't match you against your friends in a private lobby, but it does put your squad into online co-op games. From here, you can invite friends to your squad. If you have people online, they'll show up on the list. On Xbox, press LB, and on PlayStation, press L1 to switch your squad to duos. Press the button again and it will switch to trios so you can run 3v3. After that, you'll queue up against another random team of 2 or 3 players. That's all you need to do. Is straightforward and you can choose whichever role you want once the match starts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.